Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Venus Joy, your audio video partner. This is the video log number 4. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a digital classroom, basically digital classroom solutions. But before that, let us understand why we have to convert a normal classroom to a digital classroom. So the use of audio-visual aids makes the students to remember the concept for a longer period of time. That you must be agreeing. So integrating technology into the classroom helps the students to experience things virtually. So today, today in the market, there are many products which are available for creating a digital classroom, but those are too much of confusion. Like these are the ranges of projectors. This is a 4K display or interactive display. This is an interactive whiteboard. This is an interactive kit which converts any whiteboard or any display also. So which is the right option to go in? So we have classified into we have basically categorized a few types into digital classrooms into 4 types. So the number one is the standard digital classroom SVGA oblique XGA. This is the entry level. Then interactive digital classroom SVGA and XGA. Then the third is short throw or UST interactive digital classroom. And the fourth is LED interactive digital classroom. First, we will see the standard digital classroom, SVGA and XGA. In the standard digital classroom, you can understand the products what we have to we require basically. The projector is a standard throw projector. These are the examples of the model number which we have given. The model number can be changed as per the stock availability as the all the brands are upgrading themselves. So I have taken here 3 brands: BenQ, ViewSonic, and Epson. Then we require a ceiling mount kit. I've given the pricing also. The pricing varies as per the sizes and the model number. Then 10 meters of VGA cable or HDMI cable. Then sound system. The sound system is basically optional. Sound system is important as per the room size. So whatever the room size, here I have taken 1500 to 4500 rupees speakers. So in this, this is a sound bar which we are giving for 4500 with 40 watts output. So what happens is that it can cover to a room size of say 25 feet to 30 feet. So if you are playing any videos, so sound can be, you can get that experience also of the sound. The sound is also important. Then comes the Instalock screen. That also depends on the size. We have understood the screen, which screen to be placed in what room size in our previous video log, and the installation and calibration. So this is the SVGA standard digital classroom. So the pricing is like 33,500 to a 45,300 package. This is inclusive of GST. And the XGA is also there. The XGA is nothing but a semi high definition projector. The native resolution increases, there is zero pixelation. Your quality of your projection also increases. So in this, the all the rest of the products will be same, but only the projector will be getting replaced. The projector will be replaced with the XGA models. Here I have taken BenQ MX 535P. This XGA ranges are like total range package goes to 42,500 to 54,300 approx. This also includes of GST. But please note, we have not included laptop, CPU, or any type of software or content is excluded. It varies as per the user. So as per the user, if supposing you need this solution, you want to make a kindergarten school, you have to give a digital classroom, you have to set up in a kindergarten. You need not go for a high-end configuration of the laptop or a CPU. Second, we will be seeing the interactive digital classroom SVGA XGA. By this the name, you can little bit understand that the previous one, the standard one, we are converting it into a interactive digital classroom. So in this, what we have added and not added is the screen we have removed, and instead of screen we have put whiteboard. Okay, and then for this and we have added interactive camera. Okay, so what happens is that this interactive camera directly places on the projector, and which your standard projector converts into interactive. For interactive, the advantage of interactive is that you can annotate your studies, which will be more performance driven, and you get a stylish with this. So this range is started from 53,500 to 71,300, and this one 62,500 to 78,300 SVGA and XGA. Then third comes is the short throw or UST interactive digital classroom. So in this is the most ideal digital classroom solution which we recommend, because the short throw model, what happens is that it comes on your top. When you are explaining on the board, it comes on your top. So the advantage is that there is no focus of the lights coming of the rays from the standard projector. The short throw, as it is on your top, so there is no shadow also on the board. Not that much shadow compared to the standard throw projector. So the short throw projector, this is highly recommended. This is the in this also there are various ranges, like now this we have taken 33,500 to 49,800. The only difference is the interface. Supposing now MX808 PST has only VGA, it doesn't have a HDMI port. So the pricing starts from 33,500. Whereas if you go for Epson EB530, it has all the ports, HDMI, VGA, everything it has, and it has also 16-watt speaker also inbuilt. If your classroom is small enough, it can work. If it is big enough, then again you will have to go connect the external speaker. So the pricing depends on the models, and you need a wall mount in this, a 4-feet wall mount. Okay, and the 5 meters cable connecting to your projector to your CPU or a laptop. Then sound system and interactive board. In this we have used an interactive board. In this interactive board, the advantage is that you can do finger touch also. With finger touch annotation is also possible. Plus it is a multi-touch. So at the same time you can put 2 students at this board solving the same problem, and it comes with a stylus. This range starts from 64,800 to 93,100 approx, inclusive of GST. Then we will see UST. UST is nothing but the full form is ultra short throw projectors. So in UST, I have chosen now one model. This is Epson EB695WI. The pricing is approx 1,59,000. The advantage is that you can convert your white wall, any white wall you have, or a white board or a white surface you have, you can convert that surface into an interactive projection, into an interactive display basically. And this, the advantage of this is that it works with the stylus. Also it works with finger touch. And here also the pricing is approximately 1,65,000. This is all approx price, including of GST. And the fourth we will see is interactive LED interactive digital classroom. In this, this is the future, you can say, because the classroom size is less than 20 feet. Yeah, you can say 20 feet, 15 feet. Then we highly recommend this LED interactive digital classroom. In this, there are options like 65. It starts from 55 inches, 65 inches, 75 inches, and 86 inches. Here I have taken the running product, that is a New Line i75. The brand is New Line. The model number is i75, and it basically it is a 4K display with 75-inch diagonal. Okay, 75-inch diagonal. It comes with 15 watts into 2 speakers inbuilt. So almost 30 watt speakers. So additional speaker also, if required, you can add. Or if mostly it is not necessary. But if you want to add, we can add speakers also additional. But the inbuilt speaker is good enough, as it is total 30 watts, 15 into 2. And then the operating system, we have given a OPS, that is a mini PC, which like i5, the specification is processor i5, 4 GB RAM and 128 SSD. Please note the pricing approx of this configuration is around 2,20,000 approx, inclusive of GST. Please note in this, the OPS configuration can be upgraded. If supposing you need i7, or else you need the RAM more, like 8 GB RAM, or you want to increase the 128 SSD, the hard disk to 1 TB. That is all possible. The costing will vary in that, and the software and content is excluded as it varies from user to user. Let us see the accessories what is used additional. So accessories are like, this is a projector cage, then comes a CPU cabinet, then this is a branding plate, uh, laptop cabinet, then this is the smart class cabinet, digital podium, and audio podium. These are some of the cases, these are the cases of standard digital classroom. This is the BenQ projector. This is a manual install of screen. This is again, this is a college where we have supplied the projector and the ceiling mount and the installation. Where you can see screens have not been supplied. Only it is done on the whiteboard. Then this is a case of a UST and a LED UST. This is the ultra short throw projector, which we had done the installation. This is the finger touch one. Then the second is LED interactive. This is a 55-inch display. You have to understand one thing is that this all products what we have talked is all branded. It is not means any assembled units. So these all are branded products which you get around 2 years to 3 years warranty as per the brands. And the best part is that you get after sales service. For any queries, feel free to contact us. Thank you. And we will see you next time in next video. Till then, bye bye. Signing off, Venus Joy.